Software that's not patched is the #1 cause of data breaches. It leaves you wide open to attackers. Many organizations today target 90% patch success rates in 30 days. But there are 2 problems with this. On average, attacks happen less than 8 days after a vulnerability is announced, and a door that's 90% closed is still open. As with many things in life, it's that last 10% that takes the most effort. Rather than suggesting you rip out the old to bring in the new, the 1E Patch Success Solution focuses on improving success rates with your existing patch technologies, like Microsoft SCCM, and on using less rather than more infrastructure. 1E Solution lets you climb towards 100% by addressing the 4 key patching challenges. 1. Getting the patch content to the endpoint consistently. 2. Ensuring endpoints, OS, and agents are healthy and actively managed, and that the endpoints can execute the patch. 3. Ensuring reboots happen when needed. And 4. Real-time patching in 0-day scenarios. Make your network and endpoints healthier, improve patch success, and reduce risk. Get patched and stay current with 1E's Patch Success Solution.